Don't push the gas cap.
What's up?
Cheers, girls.
Boys and girls.
Liggy seems to be a bartender up there too.
How we show you which
Hey John, I have the separate remote on a long. I think it's on a long chain.
Don't fall asleep, John.
Oh yeah, that's Polly there.
Style, looking fresh. What an entrance! Welcome. We go upstairs.
Yeah, we're upstairs.
That's true. We forgot about leg beat.
You guys look beautiful. You're welcome. Absolutely. Welcome to the Frisco's.
Yeah, that's crazy. You can drink for 10 years.
Is this for me? Sweet. Aww.
Surprise, brother.
Thank you. That's so sweet. You guys are awesome. I love it. A little taste.
Just one glass. 1.5, baby. Tonight.
Just a little taste. That's it.
Too much. Too much.
What a different baby.
I don't change anything.
That's it.
It was perfect.
Oh, it's perfect.
Get your lips. Get your lips.
All right.
Nice.
Wow.
The special person you are to us, you deserve the best of everything. So may this birthday and the coming year be one that offers you the best that life may bring. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
That's from your own.
Yeah.
Aw, thank you so much.
What's that?
Oh, thank you so much.
It's a
What did you do? Did you go to Sinopolis for this? They ship it to you. Holy crap.
Yeah, we did.